Hello everyone, welcome back. New announcement, an exciting one. We have a new product for you. We have created a Thai green curry with king prawns. You will receive our peeled wild king prawn tails. You will get a pouch of rice and this beautiful Thai green curry sauce, which has mangetout, baby corn, chestnut mushrooms, all infused in beautiful Thai green curry sauce, which is like lemongrass, chillies, coconut milk, all those beautiful flavors that just make the best curry in our opinion. So to get started, you just want to season your prawns and get the rice on. Let's get started. Now you have seasoned the prawns and lightly cooked them off, pour in the Thai green sauce, pop a lid on to let it simmer for around 10 minutes. And there we have it, our beautiful Thai green curry with king prawns. We hope you enjoy it at home. We certainly do here at the Fish Society. It's an absolute must-have on your menu. Take care everyone, bye.